It is now 6:15 on this Wednesday night. Betsy Kling back with us today. It was nice this morning, then on the way to work, my goodness, it started coming down.
Finally, we got some rain. This is great rain. This is like liquid gold falling from the sky right now because it means hopefully you get a break from watering your gardens or your lawns or whatnot. We have a nice shift that is coming along with this rain, and that will tee us up for a phenomenal weekend ahead. So it's all good news, friends. As far as the next few hours, lots of clouds staying with us. We may pick up some fog overnight. Temperatures sliding back towards 70 degrees in the early morning hours. I think we'll land in the 60s to start the day tomorrow. But as you can see, we still have a few showers and thunderstorms on the radar at this hour. 15 minutes worth of lightning, counting up to 22 strikes right now just within this view. And a lot of it is centered in the Pennsylvania state line area. But we are still getting some heavy rain that's coming down right now in Ravenna. Kent, you're clearing out at this point. And that heavy rain then heads back toward the Talmadge area. We'll continue to see some pretty nice bursts of rain coming due east on 224 as it heads out toward Atwater and Deerfield. And then some scattered showers south down toward the Portage Lakes area, too. That's going to head right out toward Hartville Lake Township, Marlboro Township area as these scattered showers continue to move to the east. We also have one lone shower, a little rogue shower that's out toward Ontario right now. That's going to head east, maybe clipping into the Mansfield area. I think it misses Shelby, but you may end up getting a few raindrops in Shelby out of this. And it does look like if this continues, it's going to head a beeline over toward Mifflin Township and whatnot over by Ashland. So we are definitely getting some nice scattered showers at this point, but don't expect too much more in the way of the rain. Although we still have chances for rain that continue overnight. Area of low pressure to the north of us, spinning up the energy, and you can kind of see where we're getting just these little scattered showers that remain on the backside of the front. The front itself is right now located across western Ohio and northern Indiana. That is where the big shift takes place, the leading edge of a different air mass. So ahead of all of that, we're going to continue to have these scattered shower and thunderstorm chances. But as the front moves through, we'll not only have what's left of the lingering showers, but it's going to drag in some cooler air, and not just cooler air. Finally, it's going to be less humid air too. So we get a nice bit of relief. These brown colors indicative of where we have drier air, and that drier air is really pushing things along. So dew points over the next 20 hours or so, you can see we hold steady overnight. So we still have muggy conditions tonight. It's muggy for tomorrow morning. It's not really until tomorrow afternoon that the dew points start to drop. So it's a little bit of a delayed drying out period that we have through the day tomorrow. But once those nicer dew points get in here, we are going to be off to a great Thursday evening. Lingering showers for this evening. Patchy fog still a possibility. Temperatures fading back into the 60s, and that's how we'll start the day tomorrow. By midday, we're finally going to start to see the clouds breaking up, but that less humid air doesn't really get in here until the afternoon and the evening, as temperatures will hold in the 70s. Quick peek at your National Designer hour-by-hour forecast just to kind of time things out for you. We do have these scattered showers that are around this evening. We may still have some isolated showers overnight. Remember, that front is not going to kind of whap right through here, unfortunately. We're just going to have some isolated rain chances. This is, I think, more fog than rain for the start of the day tomorrow. And noontime, we're still looking at a lot of clouds in play. Afternoon, though, that's when that dry air gets in here. It makes such a huge difference. Winds will switch around to the north, and everybody's going to be feeling pretty darn nice by the evening. Here's your Medina Country Club forecast. We'll go from the upper 70s tomorrow, so a refreshing change to perfection on Friday. 80 degrees, low humidity, nothing but sun. Perfect. Saturday's going to feel very summery, but still very comfortable. And by summer standards, we're going to be in the mid-80s, but not overly humid. The humidity, the heat, it all returns on Sunday. That will then lead us into showery and stormy weather chances that linger through much of the early part of next week.
I like the fact that we've gone down to one bar of 90s instead of two from yesterday.
Well, things are still going to change. You know, we're going to be on kind of the periphery of a lot of heat that's off to the southwest of us, which I think we're going to hear much more about next week. So we'll have to kind of see where we work out in that whole thing.
Such glowing language for Friday. Sounds good, Betsy.
Yeah?
Thank you.